How to add a clickable Shopify store link to your TikTok account, profile, or bio. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add a clickable Shopify store link to TikTok bio. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and you want to copy the link that you wish to add into your TikTok bio. No, I don't have any link, but I'll just copy this particular link here. Then you want to go ahead and open up TikTok, and once you open up TikTok, head over to your profile. At the bottom right corner, you'll find the profile tab. You want to head into it. Once you're on your profile, you can see the edit profile option on the screen. Simply tap on edit profile. Then here you can see the links option below the bio option. Tap on the links option here. You can see I've added YouTube link. Now in order to add your Shopify store link, tap on website option and now paste in your link here. Then it will verify if the link is clickable and it is valid. Then you can tap on save and it'll be added there to your bio. So you can see it's edited. Now if I head back here, the Shopify link will be showed up. You can see here Shopify link. This is how you can easily add the Shopify store link, the clickable Shopify store link to your TikTok bio. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.